Learn English with your Instill.
Are you excited for the wedding?
Yeah, it's going to be fun. What will you wear to the wedding?
I'm thinking of wearing a light blue dress. Do you think it will be a big wedding?
Probably. I think they invited a lot of people. Should we get a gift for them?
Yes, maybe a nice kitchen set. What time is the wedding starting?
I think it's at 4 p.m. Are you nervous about the speeches?
A little, but I'm sure they'll be great. Who's going to be at the wedding?
Our friends and their families. Do you know if there's going to be dancing?
I think so. Weddings usually have dancing. Will you wear a tie to the wedding?
Yes, I think a tie would look nice. Are you planning to bring your camera?
Yes, I don't want to miss any moments. Do you think the bride will wear a traditional dress?
Most likely. She's always loved classic styles. Do you know where the wedding is happening?
Yes, it's at the big hotel downtown. Have you bought your gift already?
Not yet, but I plan to get something soon. What's the first thing you want to do when we get there?
Grab a drink and find a good spot to sit. Are you going to try the food at the wedding?
Definitely. I'm curious about the appetizers. Do you think the wedding will be formal?
Yes, I'm expecting a very formal setting. Do you think there will be a wedding cake?
Of course. It wouldn't be a wedding without one. What do you think about wedding vows?
I think they're beautiful. I hope I don't cry. What's your idea of a perfect wedding?
A small, intimate ceremony with close friends. Do you know if there will be a photographer?
Yes, I'm sure they've hired one. Should we give the bride a special message?
I think we should, maybe a note with the gift. Do you think they'll have a wedding planner?
Yes, it seems like they're organized like that. Are you going to stay for the whole wedding?
Yes, I plan to stay until the end. Are you going to dance at the wedding?
Only if the music is good. What song do you think they'll pick for their first dance?
What song do you think they'll pick for their first dance? Are you going to try the dessert?
Of course, I love wedding desserts. Do you think the groom will cry?
It's possible. Weddings can be emotional. Will you wear makeup for the wedding?
Yes, I'll keep it simple but elegant. Do you think we'll meet anyone new?
I'm sure we will. Weddings always bring people together. What time do you think we should arrive?
Maybe 15 minutes early to find parking. Do you think there will be a flower girl?
Most likely, it's a common tradition. Are you looking forward to the ceremony or the party more?
I'm excited for both, actually. Will you take any pictures?
Definitely. I'll snap a few good ones. Do you think it'll be a long ceremony?
Maybe about 30 minutes, not too long. Do you want to go to the wedding after party?
Yes, if it's not too late. Do you think there will be a lot of speeches?
Probably, a few close friends will say something. Do you know if they'll have a wedding band or DJ?
I think they'll have a DJ for sure. Should we give a toast at the wedding?
Maybe just a short one, something simple and sweet. Will we be sitting with our friends?
I hope so. It'll be fun to catch up. Do you think the bride will wear a veil?
Probably, it's traditional for brides. Do you like the idea of destination weddings?
They're great, but I love the idea of a local wedding too. Will there be a lot of people dancing, do you think?
I hope so. I love weddings with a good dance floor. Should we wait to eat until after the ceremony?
Yeah, it's more respectful to wait. Do you think they'll have a fun exit?
Maybe a sparkler exit or a car parade. Do you like the idea of having a wedding cake?
Yes, I think it's a nice tradition. Should we get a professional picture at the wedding?
Maybe we can take a quick photo with the bride and groom. Do you know how many bridesmaids there are?
I think there are 4 bridesmaids. Do you think the ceremony will be religious?
I'm not sure, it might depend on their beliefs. What's your favorite part of a wedding?
I like the vows and the first dance. Do you like the idea of a wedding being a big celebration?
I do, it's always a fun day to look forward to. Will you help me pick a seat at the ceremony?
Sure, let's find one near the front. Do you think the wedding will be relaxed or formal?
It seems pretty formal to me. What do you think of wedding themes?
I think they're cute. A good theme can make everything more fun.
Do you think there will be a live band?
Maybe, it's becoming pretty popular. Will the wedding have a lot of flowers?
Probably, it's traditional for weddings to be filled with flowers. Do you think they'll serve alcohol at the wedding?
Yes, I believe they'll have a full bar. Do you think the groom will be nervous?
Maybe a little, but I'm sure he's excited. What's the best wedding you've ever been to?
I think this one will be my favorite. What do you like more, weddings or birthdays?
I love weddings, they're always so beautiful. Should we go early for parking?
Yeah, that's a good idea. Do you think the bride will be late?
I hope not, but it's common for brides to run a little late. Will you be emotional during the vows?
Maybe, weddings are pretty touching.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.